Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today I will share 20 tips for your JYP audition that will help you to improve your work for JYP audition. Now without wasting our time, let's get to the point. But before that, if you are new on our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming Kpop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in the description box. Now, let's start our video. "20 tips for your JYP audition." Tip number 1. You can perform any song in any language or genre. Tip number 2. Korean or English language has priority, but if you are not fluent in these languages while singing, then you can perform in your own language. And yeah, you can dance on any song. You don't need to be fluent in talking or singing for performing on these songs. Don't think about the language. You just need to give your best performance. Tip number 3. Rather than speed, JYP prefers rhythm in rap. Tip number 4. There is no specific concept in JYP. They have debuted all type of groups: cute, sexy, badass, etc. Tip number 5. You should just choose a concept that you can perform best. Tip number 6. Try to not use cursing words in JYP audition or in any other audition. Tip number 7. Try to not wear much revealing clothes. Wear something comfortable. Don't dress up like a K-pop star. Tip number 8. Heavy makeup is not allowed, but I would recommend to use a BB cream or CC cream and face powder and lip tint to enhance your beauty. Tip number 9. It would be better to attach a 30 seconds long introduction video before your talent video. You can record your introduction video either in Korean language or English language. You don't need to be fluent while talking in these languages. You just need to be good in pronunciation while introducing yourself in these languages. I mean, if you are going to introduce yourself in Korean language, then you don't need to be fluent in Korean while talking. You just need to work on your pronunciation for only your introduction. Introduction should be only either in Korean language or English language so that they can understand your words. Tip number 10. You can do dance covers or do your own choreography. Just do in which you are best. Tip number 11. Try to show your true identity in your introduction video, just like you speak in your normal life. Are you a serious type person, or cute, or badass, or a free soul? Tip number 12. Keep your background clean and with light colors. It should not be stuffy. You want them to keep you in their mind, not your background. Tip number 13. Make sure your song is in your range. If it's out of your range, then they will notice and think that you could have done better. Tip number 14. You can apply in JYP audition after every 31 days of your form submission date. But I would recommend to first improve yourself before applying again, no matter how much time it takes to improve your skills. Tip number 15. Try to learn many languages and learn singing in many languages to increase your chances. Learn singing especially in English, Chinese, Korean and Thai languages because JYP has broad music market in these countries and they release many songs in these languages. You don't have to know how to speak these languages fluently. You just need to work on your pronunciation while singing in another languages. Tip number 16. For vocal, JYP focuses on your singing capacity based on breathing, rhythm, pitch, pronunciation and technique. Tip number 17. For dance, JYP focuses on your flexibility, rhythmical sense, posture, dance steps and stage presence, means your expression and confidence on stage. Tip number 18. For rap, JYP focuses on technique based on diction and sense of rhythm. Tip number 19. For acting, JYP focuses on vocalization, breath control, script and emotion delivery and stage manner. Tip number 20. For modeling, JYP focuses on walking and posing, ability to pose with your own style with confidence and originality. That's all were the tips that I thought will help you to increase your chances to get selected in JYP company. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.